Hopefully the battery doesn't go dead on me. Okay, gonna do a interior shot cold start with the Malibu. Been a while since I had it running. Not a whole long time, but we'll see what she does. Hopefully the battery doesn't go dead on me. Almost. Come on. Might be out of gas. Hope not. Well, I ran for a little bit. I think it might be that gas. Might be some dirt in the carb too. Try it again. Bleh, 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 bleh. I think there's dirt in the carb because it does not want to idle. And I'm not in the mood to tear the carb apart. Yeah, apparently she doesn't want to idle. This does have vortec heads on it, so there's no exhaust crossover to keep the carb and the fuel mixture warm, so I'm pretty sure there's dirt in the carb. But that should do it. With a cold start on the Malibu.